Good morning to all of you. Welcome to my Torts class. Friends, at the outset, let me express my displeasure or sorry that I have not taken up the topic of damages. So always I have been telling tort is a civil wrong where you can claim unliquidated damages. Then what are the types of damages? Because in the contract, right, whatever it is, you are getting some questions. In 2004 or 2004, it has come as a question. What are punitive damages? In 2017, consequential damages. 2018, nominal damages. 2021, exemplary damages. So there is a time where we have to learn regarding the damages. Tomorrow we may get a question also on this particular topic. So basically, first of all, you have to know what are damages. Damages, they are the amount of money that the plaintiff can get from the tortfeasor when a tort is proved against him. Please remember, damages is different from damage. What is damage? Suppose if I break a glass, it is damage. Here damages the amount of money you are going to get from the so-called tortfeasor. No doubt, normally they are interchangeably used. Damage and damages, okay, they are interchangeable, but better you know the difference between damages and damage. So basically, damage is the loss suffered. Damages is the amount of money you get from the tortfeasor. So damages, two types of damages. One is liquidated damage and second one is unliquidated damage. We are bothered only with the unliquidated or unspecified damages because the judge, by his personal discretion, he will allocate the amount of the damages. Right? The essential elements are, please remember, for awarding the so-called damages, number one, the nature and extent of the injury. This is more important. The nature as well as the extent of the injury. And the liability also they will look into, whether it is a vicarious liability or sole liability, all these things. And the relationship between the plaintiff and defendant also. It is also taken into consideration. Ultimately, damages are awarded. Now we are going to discuss a few types of damages. Number one, nominal damages, formal damages. No doubt here the legal injury is done, but much less. Damage is very, very less. But still, the tortfeasor, he has to know the consequences. They will, therefore, he will be awarded the so-called nominal damages. So actually, when there is no actual loss suffered by him, like injurious in a damnum, injurious in a damnum, legal injury without damage. Ashby versus White, 1400 case, 1703, Ashby versus White. Therefore, here the legal right of the plaintiff to cast his vote was actually denied, but actually he did not suffer any damage, but still nominal damages. Very famous case, last year I have written on the notice board also. Contestaine versus the Imperial Hotels Limited. In this case, this Contestaine was a cricket player, I think. He is a cricket player from West Indies. He wanted to occupy the hotel, but due to the racial discrimination, they did not allow him. Of course, he has taken a room in the opposite hotel and he stayed there, he played. But the problem is his right to entry was violated basing on the racial discrimination. Yes, definitely it's a right, it is a violation. So nominal damages were awarded to the hotel, Imperial Hotel London. Second, punitive damages. What are the punitive? Punitive means, punitive law, penal law. The person should be punished. So they are otherwise called as exemplary damages also. Right? Punitive damages, please remember, because you don't find time. Punitive damages and exemplary damages, both are the same. So why? The purpose is to punish the so-called tortfeasor and to see that it becomes an example to the others, so that, fine sare, manam kuda cheste అనేటువంటి భయం రావాలి కాబట్టి, they are the exemplary damages. So the others are actually debarred, the others will be deterred, they will be afraid to commit the same tort. If he commits the same tort, it will be lesson for him. Yes, we will get this much of punishment. So please remember, when this will be awarded, when this punitive damages, when the act of the tortfeasor is highly, grossly negligent, severely negligent, then such type of damages can be awarded, right? So I will give, normally I give the TV for example, you may be knowing because I am having that bald head. Here a company advertised that its pill has got natural ingredients. Definitely it will reduce the weight, or it will be useful in quick weight loss because it is having natural ingredients. So believing the same, some people, they have consumed the pill, but the obesity did not go and they have become actually, so there is some actual reaction from them. Ultimately, it is clear that the natural ingredients, they are chemical ingredients and they are not at all natural ingredients. So definitely the court awarded punitive damages. This must be example to the other companies which actually publicize or advertise regarding products. So please remember. So another case, 5 years people have told in the IT Act also. Microsoft Corporation versus Rawal. Which Rawal? Deepak Rawal, 2006. Yes, he started another company by name Microsoft India. People are on the impression that Microsoft, they have started a company in India, but he is a dupe company. Section 14 of the Copyright Act was taken. He was awarded punitive damages. Then consequential damages, they are called as special damages also. So what is the consequence? So because of the tort, my reputation is totally lost. Defamation cases, special damages or consequential damages. So loss of reputation, loss of goodwill, business. So if you say that this product is not good, they will lose their goodwill also. Maybe due to breach of agreement, some people may be making false propaganda. So damage as a result of consequent to the tort committed by the so-called tortfeasor. So it is normally property damage or damage to the reputation. So please remember, in section 73 and 74 of the contract also, the damages are mentioned in the contract 1872 Act, these consequential damages. So please remember, all these damages normally, I am just touching these damages because it's only 2 marks question. Better you understand and write the answers well. With this, I am concluding. Thank you very much.